Close your eyes for a moment. Now imagine standing in front of something massive, something confident, something that doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. This is the 2026-27 Lincoln Navigator Pickup Truck, and from the very first glance you know this isn't just another pickup. This is Lincoln rewriting the rules of what a luxury truck can be. The front end greets you with a bold, sculpted grille finished in deep chrome, framed by razor-sharp LED lighting that glows like quiet confidence in the night. The Lincoln emblem sits proudly in the center, softly illuminated like a signature on a masterpiece. The hood stretches long and wide, muscular yet elegant, hinting at the power waiting beneath. Walk around it slowly. Every line feels intentional. Every curve tells a story. The body panels flow smoothly into massive wheel arches, wrapped around premium alloy wheels that feel more like jewelry than hardware. This truck doesn't look built, it looks crafted. Step closer and you notice the details. Flush door handles, satin trim, subtle chrome accents catching the sunlight. Even parked, the Navigator pickup feels alive. Now open the door. You're welcomed by a gentle glow of ambient lighting and the soft whisper of premium leather. The cabin feels less like a truck and more like a luxury lounge on wheels. Sink into the driver's seat, and immediately you feel it. That perfect balance of softness and support. The leather is smooth, cool to the touch, stitched with precision. Your hands fall naturally onto a heated steering wheel wrapped in rich leather and real wood accents. In front of you, a wide digital display comes to life. Crisp and elegant, showing everything from navigation to performance data in stunning clarity. The dashboard flows seamlessly into a massive center touchscreen, controlling everything from climate to entertainment. Touch it. The response is instant, smooth, refined. Real metal knobs, soft touch surfaces, open pore wood. Every material feels expensive because it is. Even the air feels different in here. Lincoln's advanced cabin quieting technology shuts the world outside away. Traffic fades. Wind disappears. All that remains is calm. Now press the start button. The engine wakes up with a deep, controlled rumble, not aggressive but confident. Under the hood lives a powerful twin-turbo V6, delivering serious horsepower and torque, paired with a silky smooth automatic transmission. Pull onto the road. For something this large, the Navigator pickup moves with surprising grace. Acceleration is effortless. The steering feels light yet precise. Adaptive suspension reads the road ahead, smoothing out bumps like they were never there. You're not driving this truck. You're gliding in it. On the highway, it feels planted and stable, soaking up miles with quiet authority. Step on the accelerator and the power comes instantly, pushing you back into your seat with refined strength. This is luxury that doesn't sacrifice muscle. Take it off pavement and the Navigator pickup transforms. Intelligent all-wheel drive, multiple terrain modes, and advanced traction systems give you confidence whether you're on gravel, mud, or snow. It's just as comfortable towing a boat as it is pulling up to a 5-star hotel. And let's talk about space. Rear passengers enjoy limousine-level legroom, heated and ventilated seats, and their own climate controls. There's even an optional rear entertainment system, turning long drives into private cinema experiences. The cargo bed? Massive, practical, ready for work or adventure, yet still wrapped in Lincoln elegance. As night falls, the exterior lighting comes alive. LED light bars trace the body lines, puddle lamps illuminate the ground beneath you, and the interior glows softly in customizable colors. It feels cinematic, emotional, almost surreal. This truck doesn't just transport you, it changes how you feel while moving. Now pricing. The 2026-27 Lincoln Navigator Pickup. truck is expected to start around $65,000, with fully loaded trims pushing well past $80,000. Yes, it's premium, but what you're paying for isn't just a vehicle. You're buying craftsmanship, technology, presence. You're buying the feeling of arriving somewhere and knowing every eye just turned. The Lincoln Navigator Pickup isn't built for everyone. It's built for those who want power without aggression, luxury without compromise, capability without chaos. It's for drivers who want their truck to feel like a private jet. And when you finally step out, close the door and walk away, you'll catch yourself turning back for one last look. Because some vehicles don't just move you, they stay with you. This is the 2026-27 Lincoln Navigator Pickup Truck, and this is American luxury reimagined. You're watching AM Automotive.